I've got this cool umbrella right here. Let's take it out of the bag. It also has a protective cover right here. So if we take this one out and we unfold it and we press the button right here, there we go. So this one is 54 inches. So it's wide, it's good enough for like 2 people to stay under it. It's windproof, it's waterproof. It has this here on the side, so the wind can go and come out this way, so it's not gonna turn it around. You have these arms right here, which are quite strong and really easy to close. And then you just wrap it up just like that. And as you can see, even though this is quite big, it's 54 inches, it goes like quite small because they fold like up and down, so that's like really handy. And you have this button right here to easily press and open this up with one hand. So now, as you can see, this is quite strong. So this will last in like strong winds because of this double layer and because of these ribs that are strong. You won't have any problems in like a strong wind, as you can see. There we go. Give it a good shake. So as you saw, this double layer strengthens the wind resistance.